Hello, everyone. I'm David Bennett. Do you feel tired all the time? Have you been struggling to get through your day, sort of feeling depleted or just not really feeling your best self? Well, restoring your energy could very well be all in your gut, but not necessarily in the way you think. So keep watching to find out. I hear it all too often from my clients. I went to my doctor and told them how tired I am and I can't get moving in the morning. I'm exhausted by the middle of the day. And the doctor may run some blood work, or a lot of times will simply just say, get more sleep, or maybe prescribe a medication that might help. Or they're told to make some lifestyle changes, but really given no guidance or support in how to do that. So I know how you feel. Did you know that your gut and your brain have a direct link? So comment yes or no below if you find this content helpful, and let me know that you like this video by liking it or subscribing below. Well, it's true that your brain health relies on your gut and vice versa. When these imbalances occur, you can find yourself in a constant state of stress, the sympathetic state, the fight or flight, which can make you constantly tired. So we've all heard of the fight or flight response and the rest and digest responses, right? These areas are part of the autonomic nervous system, and the autonomic nervous system controls specific body processes such as circulation of blood, breathing, urination, and your heart. And the autonomic nervous system is named that because it works autonomously without you even having to think about it. So there are two different parts of the autonomic nervous system. First, the sympathetic, fight or flight, which regulates your heart and your breathing. And the other is the parasympathetic, the rest and digest, which stimulates stomach activity and slows your heart rate, just to name a couple of things for each. So controlling your stress levels and allowing your body to be in the rest and digest side of the autonomic nervous system is the key to losing weight and regulating your blood sugar. This also helps get good sleep and rest, because this occurs when you're in the rest and digest side of the autonomic nervous system. So thank you for watching this. And if you're interested in learning more about how to get started on your weight loss journey that will work, click the link below to watch my video guide on reversing metabolic syndrome, or schedule a free phone consult with me.